We're going to do something crazy. Stay tuned. This is what happens when a husband is left alone. Nobody's to watch over him. He starts getting crazy ideas inside his head. Starts thinking, oh, what am I gonna do? Can't shovel, can't drive. Everybody's told to stay in place. I just can't do that. I got gloves on. I'm gonna try and hold the phone while I go outside. And I bought something for my grandkids, but they haven't come over yet to use it. We're gonna maybe take this outside for a ride. Ooh, all right. So that was a little intimidating. Try and push it away from the door here with the sled. It's a little too early to shovel, I think. Maybe sometime this afternoon. The doors covered in snow. There's you can't see the steps. All right. Oh, all right. Take a look out here. There's my car. I had covered it with a tarp and bungeed it. But I don't see the tarp. It must have blown away. Alright, snow's a little deep. About top of the calf, maybe the knees in some spot. There's some drifting. Whoa. Stairs, can't see the stairs here. I don't know where my tarp went. Huh. I tied down the garbage cans at least. That's lasted. Cars are getting a little covered here. Here's a look at the house from the outside. I know everybody's inside looking out. So I figured I'd give you all a little look-see out here in Rhode Island. So maybe my grandkids are watching me. I don't know. Got some friends watching me. Oh yeah, look at this. This is nice and deep. Oh. My phone's starting to get covered with some snow and ice. Power's still on, so that's good. I think somebody on here is telling me I'm crazy. Yeah, you're probably right. But there's a little crazy inside of us. It just needs to get out once in a while. So, controlled bursts are always okay. Oh, you're an energetic youth with a shovel in your hand. You can make a lot of money tonight. Oh yeah. There's a lot of cars snowed in. Alright, I got my sled here. Near where the hill really starts to come down. Walked up a little bit. I'm gonna try and push myself down the hill here. It's pretty fluffy. My way down the hill. Might take a couple tries. I'm already covered in snow. This would be more fun with grandkids. But I don't know. I don't know if they want to come outside or not. I can't get it to go. It's too soft and fluffy. I would have to get someone to sit in the sled and pull it down a couple times. Maybe later. Or maybe we do like a running start, jump on it. Let me try that. Alright. This is me trying to sled during a blizzard. Alright. So I'm standing over here. The sled's right there. I'm gonna run and jump on it. See what happens. Probably see my face all covered in snow in the next frame. Alright, here I go. Nope, didn't work out. Too fluffy. Oh well. Let me, at least while I'm out here, look around the cars. Oh, connection's a little spotty, I'm sorry. I think it's because I'm going like in and out of my Wi-Fi. But my daughter and I, we put a tarp on the ground over here in front of the cars, put stuff on the corners, hold it down. I don't know if the tarp is still there. I can see the crates that we put stones in, but I can't tell if the tarp is there. Looking down the road, I don't see like a tarp hanging anywhere. That would probably be one of my missions. Oh, I see the tarp. There it is. It's hanging on the front of my car. Over here. So I'm up blue from the back of the car to the front. So, I don't know. At least I know where that is. I'll keep that in my mind when I come out here later to get my afternoon workout for shoveling the snow. The snow's pretty heavy right now. Kind of windy. And my cameras look clear. So I'll be able to, maybe I'll get some camera footage later on from my security cams. But I don't want to walk over here on top of the tarp, because it could be, you know, if you walk on snow that's on top of a tarp, it can be very slippery. It turns into like an ice underneath your feet. Yeah. I think the closer I get to my house, the worse the coverage. So I'm going to put this sled here, so if any kids come by and they want to go sledding, you can just grab that sled and go sledding if they want. Check out my neighbors. Good to see behind me. Oh, I'm in Johnson, by the way, in case anybody's wondering. My plat is next to Memorial Park, closer to the mausoleum. One thing about going out in the cold weather is that when you go back in, everything just feels so much warmer. And your coffee tastes so much better, or hot cocoa, or tea. And the hot food, ooh, when you're out in the cold, blizzard, and you go back in, you know, I got a crazy friend. He knows who he is when I start talking about him. This guy, take a hot shower, and then he'll dive into the snow, like this. I like to see him post a video of himself doing that. So I'll name it. Carlos, I dare you. Take your hot shower, go outside, and dive into this snow. I want to see it. I'm not as brave as him. I would never do that. Alright. I'm at the top of my plat here. Whoa. It's hard to see. It's a little bit of a whiteout. My glasses are starting to frost up. Get coated with snow pretty quickly there. Alright. Not like I can get lost. But it's just alright, I'm gonna head back down the hill. Try not to fall down. Although you can't get hurt if you fall down in this. Everything's so soft and fluffy. And windy. And icy. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I'm feeling a little adventurous today. Ooh, my cheeks are getting a little stingy from the wind and the ice. Oh yeah, this is fun. So it was a fail trying to sled. Maybe a tube. If I had a tube would be great right now. But I don't have a tube. So later on, I'll get out here and shovel. Maybe make a pass with the plow. Get some of this fluffy stuff and pack it down a little bit. Instead of loading on top of it. That's where I'm gonna come out. And I'll give it a whirl then. I'm gonna see if I can walk around with the car to get back into the house. It's over here. Drifted up. Oh, I believe I am stepping on my tarp. I gotta be careful. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure outside. I'll try and post another one later on. Oh, that's why I can't see out my windows. They're all covered with snow. Oh boy. I got my mom inside. She's safe. I got my... Alright, here we go. We're back again. Sorry about the spotty connection. Get the snow off the doorknob. Clear up around the edges here. I'll wipe off this window. Yeah, it's pretty deep out here. Alright. Beautiful though. I mean, can't wait to see everybody else's pictures. Right. Going back in. I'm gonna make a big wet spot in the hallway. So, I don't know how long I was out there, but long enough to get covered in snow, playfully. I'm gonna go take these off. Alright. I put my reading glasses on so I can start reading what you guys are saying here. Alright. Alright, I see Craig and Mary were here. A few other friends. Alright, we got a few more hours of this, but alright, this was a black hat. Now it's getting icy. It's a good thing I still have power. I can throw this stuff right in the dryer so I can use it again later on. Toss it on the stairs there. Whew. I have not had my coffee yet. I haven't had any breakfast yet, so we probably won't eat breakfast yet. It's still early for me. snow boots on here. I'm like covered. But it's really not that cold out. It's like in the upper 20s. You know, I mean, if this was like, you know, the teens or singles, I probably wouldn't have been out there. All right, I'm gonna sign off here. Hope you all had a nice viewing of the blizzard of 26 here in Johnston, Rhode Island. Love you all. God bless.